client sent me this picture. John, do I trace this with arcs or curves? Well, I have an arc here, but definitely have curves around there. Just come in and click Start, Curve Fit, and then just do that curve as a series of points. Then my software is going to put a curve fit, a nice smooth curve right through those points and give me exactly that line I want. I just trace with the pen. It's so easy. As I'm tracing, you can see the points on the screen that I'm doing. I have a turn point here. I just come in, click turn point. There's my curve. Oh, it looks great. Let's keep going with that curve. Again, just do points along the curve, and then my software will automatically create the outline for me. Look at that. There it is. It looks great. Now here I have got another turn point. I can either do this as an arc or a curve. I'm going to go ahead and do it as a curve. Do my points. I'm all done. Click stop. There it is. It looks great. Save it and cut it.